Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of clay activities. This one is full of fun. You may require some of the tools for such type of the activities like the scissors, scales, some scraping tools, fork, knife, etc. And today we are going to show you how we can create this piggy type look out of just few easy simple steps. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Add some of the features like the eyes using the beads. Let's shift our attention towards this type of the pattern. It's just simply a pattern that we can create using the clay. Such type of the activities are very easy and plus they are so much stress relaxing. So let's give it a try. You may require chopsticks for this one. You just have to make use of your fingers also so that you can just correct the leftover shape using them. Let's see how I'm folding it and you are done. This looks so perfect and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's shift our attention towards these beautiful flowers. You just have to take the two shades of the clay, that's the purple one and the white one. You can even choose any other color. I'm using this combination because I like this personally. Then you just have to fold it as it's apparent on your screens. First you just have to make the smaller chapatis and you just have to pile them up, then fold them as apparent on your screens. Using your hands and the fingers, you can just give it a beautiful look and a real look. Now I may require a fork so that I can just add beauty towards the petal area. This one looks so perfect and it's very easy, also best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. You can definitely go for this one. Take care of the minute details of this flower so that these features will add beauty to this type of the look. Be careful while you are making use of the knife for giving them the sharp edges, or we can say the sharp petals. Let's shift our attention towards our next activity. Here I am taking the clay and I am making the four chapatis out of them. You just have to pile them up and with the help of the stick you just have to create some of the lines and then again you just have to fold them. Such type of the activities are very simple. This one is very easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Let's move towards our next project. For this again you may require to create the circular chapati. Then with the help of the scraping tool you just have to make some of the horizontal line as shown on your screens. With the help of the chopstick just squeeze it over and just roll it and fold it. It looks so beautiful. It's just a seashell. Let's move towards our another activity. Here I am just rolling the dough as shown on your screens. Then you just have to fold it as apparent on your screen in somewhat a twisted manner. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. With the help of the chopstick you just have to squeeze it or bring them close together at some specific places that are just apparent on your screens. With the help of the fork I am going to create this type of the pattern over this another just piece of the clay. Then with the help of the hand and the knife, see how you just have to fold it. Be careful while you are making use of the knife. Now I'm going to roll it over this date and this date I'm going to place at the center. This flower pattern looks so perfect at the end. Thank you.